Lesson 6. Likes and dislikes. Basic patterns. I don't feel like cooking. I like Chinese food. I love dogs. I don't like him. Do you like football? I hate the Yankees. I'm crazy about pizza. I'm craving something to eat. I don't care for your opinion. Care about you a great deal. I loathe the sight of you. I'm fond of Italian music. He doesn't find his job very appealing. She's attracted to fast cars. I can't stand these people. Dialogue 1. I'm hungry, but I don't feel like cooking.
Do you just want to order some food?
Sounds good to me. What do you want?
I don't know. Maybe Mexican food?
I don't really like Mexican food. It is too spicy.
How about Chinese?
Sure. I like Chinese food. Let's call that Chinese restaurant.
Great. I'll get the menu.
Dialogue 2.
Oh, look at that puppy.
I didn't know you liked dogs.
Are you kidding? I adore dogs.
Did you have a dog when you were growing up?
Always. We always had dogs in my family.
My mom was allergic to dogs, so we never had any.
That's too bad. I love dogs.
Dialogue 3.
Do you like football? I've got an extra ticket to the Ravens game.
Of course. I love football.
I know a guy who gets these tickets from his job.
How does he do that?
His boss knows a player on the team.
Oh, wow. That's pretty nice. Dialogue 4.
That's a nice pen.
Thanks. It was a gift from my father.
It looks like an antique.
It's been in my family for a long time.
An heirloom?
I guess you could say that. I've always cherished it. Dialogue 5.
What do you think of that new guy?
Do you mean Tony?
Yeah, that guy from Manchester.
I don't like him.
Why is that?
He just says a lot of stupid things.
I guess he is pretty obnoxious.
Let's not invite him out with us tonight.
If you say so, out.
Maybe we can avoid him. Substitution drills. 1. I don't really like Mexican food. I dislike Mexican food. I hate Mexican food. I detest Mexican food. 2. It is too spicy. It is too hot. It is too rich. It is too bland. 3. Let's call that Chinese restaurant. Let's call that Thai restaurant. Let's call that Italian restaurant. Let's call that German restaurant. 4. Are you kidding? Are you joking? Are you serious? Are you for real? 5. I adore dogs. I adore cats. I adore horses. I adore pigs. 6. Did you have a dog when you were growing up? Did you have a dog when you were little? Did you have a dog when you were small? Did you have a dog when you were a child? 7. We always had dogs in my family. We constantly had dogs in my family. We occasionally had dogs in my family. We never had dogs in my family. 8. I've got an extra ticket to the Ravens game. I've got an extra ticket to the Bears game. I've got an extra ticket to the Redskins game. I've got an extra ticket to the Giants game. 9. That's a nice pen. That's a nice pencil. That's a nice watch. That's a nice necklace. 10. That's a nice pen. That's a good pen. That's a pretty pen. That's a valuable pen. 11. I've always cherished it. I've always esteemed it. I've always prized it. I've always valued it. 12. I guess he is pretty obnoxious. I guess he is pretty annoying. I guess he is pretty bothersome. I guess he is pretty irritating. 13. His boss knows a player on the team. His employer knows a player on the team. His supervisor knows a player on the team. His coworker knows a player on the team. 14. He just says a lot of stupid things. He just says a lot of dumb things. He just says a lot of ridiculous things. He just says a lot of ignorant things. 15. Let's not invite him out with us tonight. Let's not ask him out with us tonight. Let's not request him out with us tonight. Let's not bring him out with us tonight. Monologue. Tim and Alice are ordering their food to be delivered for dinner. In America, this is very common. Many restaurants have delivery service. A person can just call them on the telephone and place their order. Sometimes they have to come in and pick up the food, but often the restaurant can send one of their employees out to deliver the food. Pizza and Chinese food are the two most popular delivered foods. Sandwiches are also popular to be delivered. It is customary to tip the delivery person, give them $1 or $2 when paying for the food. If the delivery is late, there is no need to give a tip.